Hi everyone! Did you know that most adults in our country hate one word in the English language more than any? Taxes! My parents are always complaining about having to pay taxes, and to be honest, I can't blame them. There are a lot of taxes that adults have to pay. Income tax, property tax, sales tax, gas tax, death tax. What the heck are these taxes, and what is the government even doing with them? No one loves seeing their hard-earned money vanish, and no one loves paying extra for the stuff they buy. But you can think of taxes like a giant community chest. Everyone who earns money or buys something chips in a little bit. Even kids pay taxes. The next time you buy a game or a toy or even a candy bar at the store, just take a look at the receipt. There's always a little sales tax added to your total when you pay. Did you know that by paying sales tax, you're doing your civic duty to help fund the public services in your town? Cut. Yeah. Sales tax goes to local taxes and helps state and local governments pay for public schools, local parks, libraries, roads, and the firefighters and police who keep us safe. If we didn't chip in together, we'd have to pay out of pocket for every single road and every call to the police. Federal tax dollars go toward a bigger picture. Most of that money falls into 3 massive buckets. Health programs, things like Medicare and Medicaid that help older adults and people with disabilities pay for medical care. Social Security, providing retirement and disability income to older workers like our grandparents. National Defense, funding the military and keeping the country secure. The rest goes to things like scientific research, national parks, and paying interest on the national debt. So it's basically a massive group project for the whole country. It's far from perfect, and people always argue about how much gets spent where, but collecting taxes is how we build schools, roads, safety nets we couldn't afford on our own. Even though we complain about paying taxes, it helps our city, state, and country. Without them, it would be very different. So next time you pay a little extra on that candy bar, remember that you're turning your sugar rush into a nice little donation for your city.